How?
Oh my god, this is so awesome!
Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sun.
Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Right now we are in MG Mark, guys, and with me is Minken brother, the one who sing Honong Damba. And the weather here is so nice here. And what shall we do today?
We are going to eat something now, and then later on we'll be doing something special.
Something special.
Let
That
me-
will be special. Let me explain about this MG Mark first. Look at this, guys. In Saturday, the MG Mark is closed, so we can't show you the market here. But we'll show you the side market. That is a new market there. That is open today. So we'll be heading towards that side, no? Okay, then let's go.
And then, guys, thank you for liking my video. And then, yeah, I got lots of thousands of comments from you guys, and people well commenting in their own language, which I don't understand. But yeah, I got the translation from Levins.
Here, this is the Reliance train, and here you can find some medical shop here, and these are all the hotels. And look at this. This is one of the cleanest area, cleanest city in India. Look at that. This is so foggy today. Right now we are going to Chopstick restaurant. It is one of the Chinese restaurant. We'll show you the way. So guys, this is the new market. So here we are roaming around this new market. Look at this. This is so clean here. And here, this is a Chopstick restaurant is here. Doma's restaurant is also here. So this is a Chopstick restaurant. Let's go.
Would you dance in it? Would you dance?
What we do here is go back.
They put butter, carrot, cauliflower. Yeah, I think that's all. And
all.
they some put some.
And in this chicken curry, they put mustard and
Mustard, chicken with bone,
Yeah.
and some masalas.
yeah.
And yeah, they fried onions and all.
But
tomato,
this
a
taste
little
is
bit.
so good.
I think they must if anybody come to Sikkim, they must try
They
this.
must try this one.
This is called
Chicken curry
in
in
Nepali
Nepali style. And this one is a pork momo. So we're going to flower garden. Let me show you the flower garden. If you happen to visit to Sikkim, then you have to climb so many stairs like this. We're coming by foot from MG Marg, so we're really very tired now. Look at his face. We're just about to reach. Look at the view. I'll show you. This is the view. Look at this. Look at the clouds. And now we have reached the flower garden. It's right behind me. Just look at this. You can get flower and vegetable set here also. This is the counter. Just 20 rupees per person. You can see here also. So we have just now entered the flower garden. Look at these flowers. So many visitors also came here. Oh my god, someone is there. Look at this. Who is this beauty?
This beauty is from Arunachal Pradesh.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश का beauty है.
Yes.
नाम क्या है आपका?
Miss Gabuata.
Oh, nice to meet you, Miss Gabriela. Left side. Nice to meet you.
That's not a very gentle of you. You're using left hand.
Okay then, right hand side. Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, nice to meet you again, Mr.
But
Arvindo.
anyway, nice to
Famous
speak.
How many years?
celebrity. After 4 months or 5 months?
English या हिंदी पे दोनों पे. तो नेपाली समझ में आता है?
नहीं, मणिपुरी करने से भी तुम थोड़ा सबटाइटल एटलीस्ट ठीक होगा ना.
सबटाइटल में ना ये क्या होता है कि सबटाइटल रखने में टाइम लग जाता है.
हाँ.
इसीलिए सबटाइटल डाला था. अगर टाइम लग गया तो हम डालते हैं. How am I looking with this aspect? And right now I am with one of my friends. Look at this. क्यों बाकी चला गया?
उसको सेलिब्रिटी बनने में नहीं.
हो जाएगा. मासनी, मासनी. Garlic mix. Orchid, different types of orchids are here. ये पूरा orchid है ना इस साइड का. और ये इसका नाम क्या है?
Huh?
ये फ्लावर्स का नाम क्या है? ऊपर का.
This one I don't know.
और ये उस पर लिखा है ornamental kale.
इसको कितना 1 2 3 4
Is it fine?
4 में प्रिंट आउट कर दीजिए.
Thanks.
TikTok is going to make a TikTok video now.
किरियल को बहुत पसंद है बोला है ना. I did 4 times.
ये एक दिन तक ओए रुको ना. ये एक दिन तक कितना टिकटॉक वीडियो बनाते हैं पता है? 100 वीडियो बनाते हैं ना, इसीलिए बोलते हैं उसको टिकटॉक भैया. टिकटॉक भैया कुछ बोलेगा?
Yeah, I'm within TikTok. We'll talk later on. Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Start. बस दूसरों को ध्यान मत दे बस अपने आप
I'm living from Flower Garden.
So we're leaving from Flower Garden. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like.
Like,
क्या बाकी हो?
don't forget to don't
Like हो गया, subscribe हो गया. इसके बाद क्या बाकी
please
है?
like, subscribe,
Share.
and share our video. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. This is the roadways of Sikkim. Have a look at this. And these are my friends.
Apa tuh?
How is the views, everyone? And how is this girl?
It's not everyone, it's just one person, that's me.
Oh, okay. How is this? No.
Oh
How?
my god, this is so awesome! She's just reaction video. This is, you inspired me a lot,
Look at TikTok Bhai. TikTok Bhai is still editing his TikTok video. TikTok Bhai, खत्म हो गया editing.
खत्म होने वाला है.
कितना वीडियोस बना लिए आज का?
3.
So guys, I have just bought a new sunglass. Is it suitable to me or not? I'm not. भाई आपको अच्छा लग रहा है?
Best.
Okay, let's end the vlog here for today.